Hey everyone, welcome back to RBT Security YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to walk through an advanced network pivoting scenario using Ligolo, a powerful tool for creating secure tunnels inside restricted environments during penetration testing. We will move through multiple network segments step by step, gaining access to deeper internal network while maintaining secure access. So let's get started. Okay, so now we will log into our Kali machine. And first we will check our network interface to confirm our IP address. And after this, we will start reviewing our scope. So we will check how many subnets we have in our scope. So as you can see, there are 4 subnets in a scope. Now we will run netexec to check the connectivity to the machines in the scope. And as per netexec, as you can see, there is one machine which is accessible, and the host name of that machine is web, and the IP is 162. After confirming the connectivity of the machine scope, we will RDP into our first target, which is the web machine. Once inside the web machine, we identify its network IP address. Which is 170.129. Now on our Kali machine, we set up a new teamwork session and we will start the Ligolo proxy. This proxy allows us to securely establish tunnels back to the internal network. While setting up the network proxy, you will have to create one interface for the Ligolo to work. Now our setup is done from the Kali machine, from the attacker machine. We are going to try to connect from the web machine through the agent. And as you can see, the connection is established to our attacker machine. Now we will check the session. As you can see, we don't have the session yet. So we will wait for the connection to arrive on our attacker machine. And there you go. The agent just joined. Now we will list the session, and we have the first session, and we will select it just by clicking enter. Now we will check the in-network interface of the web machine by running ipconfig inside the Ligolo console. Now before adding the route, let's try to ping and let's see if we are able to access it. So as you can see, the ping is not working. We are not able to ping that host. So now let's go and add the route. And there you go. We have added the route. We will try to ping again. And as you can see, it's not working yet. So we'll go back to the teamwork session, and now we will start the session, So now the tunnel is running. Now if you try to ping the machine, you will be able to ping. As you can see, we are able to ping. The network is accessible. Now we will use netexec to check the connectivity of other hosts in that subnet. And as you can see, we have another computer which is workstation 4, and the IP is .120. And it is accessible, so let's try to RDP into that machine, into the workstation 4. Now we will try to check the IP of this machine as well, and as you can see it's .128. Now we will start a listener on our Kali machine inside our Ligolo server, because we are going to use a new interface, which is going to be the second interface, Ligolo 2, for the another tunnel, which is, you can also say that, double pivoting. So on this proxy console, we will add a listener using port 443, and we can just try to list the listener and it's up and running, right? Now from the workstation 4 machine, we will try to connect back to the proxy server, and this time we are going to use the first compromised machine's IP. Okay, and as you can see, the agent just joined. And we listed a session, and we can see that there is a session. Now we are going to use the second interface to start this tunnel, and it's up and running. Now we will try to ping again, and it is still not working. Why? Because we have not added the route yet. So we will add the route and we will try to ping again, and there you go, we have access. We can ping the IP address. Now again we will try to use netexec to check the other hosts in this subnet, and as you can see, we have another computer which is CA, and the IP is 132. We are able to ping that IP, so let's again do the same step. Let's RDP into that machine, and we will create a triple pivoting. Now we'll try to follow the same step. Open the CMD, check the IP address, and check for another interface if there is another interface. And you can see that there is another interface, which is .10, .20. Yeah. Now we will try to add another interface on our Kali machine, which is going to be Ligolo 3. Yeah. Once that is done, we will go back to the demonstration and we will start another listener on the second compromised host using the second tunnel. And there you go, we have the second listener up and running. Now we will go back to the Windows machine, the CA machine, and we will try to connect back to the attacker machine through the second compromised machine's IP. And we will go back to the debug session and we will try to list the session, but it has not arrived yet, so we will wait. And there you go, the agent just joined from the host CA. Now we can start the third tunnel. It says already running, right? So we are going to debug a little bit, which is a very important. Because we did not choose the correct session, that's why we were not able to start the tunnel. Now as you can see, we just chose the third session and we are able to start the Ligolo tunnel, the third tunnel. Now we will again try to ping the machine, the IP address. We are not able to ping. Now we will add the route through the Ligolo 3 and we will try to ping again. and it is still not accessible. This time the issue is a wrong IP address. So instead of 132, we are going to use 130 because there is no machine as 132. We can check the IP config and you can see that the IP is 130. We are talking about .20 subnet, by the way. There you go. We are able to ping the 120.130 machine. And again, we will run netexec to verify or to check other hosts in the subnet. And we have the final machine, which is DC4, and the IP is 20.131. And finally, we will try to run netexec over the whole scope just to see if all the machines are accessible or not. And as you can see, all the machines are now accessible. Initially, when we ran, there was just one machine which was accessible, but now there are 5 machines which is accessible, or I think 4 machines. Now let's go and try to log into the 4th machine, which is DC4 domain controller. This was the first machine, this is the second machine, and this is the third machine. And there you go, the 4th machine is up and ready. And we have logged into that machine as well. In this video, we demonstrated a multi-stage network pivoting technique using Ligolo. We established secure tunnels across multiple machines, dynamically routing traffic between different internal network segments. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and informative. If you have any questions or would like to see more detailed tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning. RBT Security, thinking like hackers to protect as experts.